Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the recovery key ID shown on the Dell Bitlocker prompt and match it to the printed or cloud-stored key. Once done, boot to the Windows Recovery USB to avoid modifying the drive. This gives you repair tools without unlocking the OS. Make sure you have the Dell service tag and admin credentials handy because you may need BIOS changes or to verify Azure AD ownership. These steps prevent accidental drive wipes and speed the recovery process. You now attempt a direct unlock. In Windows Recovery, choose Command Prompt and run manage BDE/unlockC. Recovery password 48-digit key to gain immediate access. If the key is missing, use repair BDE with a target drive to extract data. This can take time and needs another drive for output. For corporate devices bound to Azure AD, sign into the organization's portal to fetch the key, then use it to unlock. These steps separate data recovery from full OS repair, protecting files first. Once you have drive access, run chkdsk/f and bcd boot c \Windows to rebuild boot information so Windows can start normally. This fixes corrupted boot sectors. Make sure to suspend BitLocker before firmware updates or change the TPM/PIN policy so the system doesn't relock on next boot. If problems continue, run Dell EPSA diagnostics and collect the key ID and service tag. Then contact IT or Dell support. One tip: if recovery keeps recurring,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.